Here.
Holy shit!
Yeah, we see it.
Here it comes! Here it comes! Here it comes!
Oh, it may go that way.
No, it's coming right towards us!
Quit saying that. Quit saying that.
It's on your house, Mike.
You know where it's going.
I know where it's going. Hush.
It's coming this way.
Damn tree go up in the air right there coming down.
Who's down there?
Who's down where?
Down that way. Linda Lou. I hope they're up there.
Oh,
Man.
Shit.
we're watching a tornado right now. It's coming this way. Get off here. We're going to go downstairs.
All
Alright.
right.
Okay.
Come on.
Let's go that way. Let's go
Please
that
go
way.
away. Please go
Keep
away.
going, go that way.
Go! 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 Go!
Don't wait into the house.
Go! Mike, you live over there.
I know it's what I'm saying. You said say go.
Go!
There's houses and shit.
Go!
In my house.
Don't say that, Donnie. Don't say that.
Look at Donnie Lynn.
Please don't say
Go!
Look right down towards the
Look, 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 look!
Oh, big trees.
that. It's coming this way.
Guys, get ready to run downstairs.
I can't breathe! I can't breathe! I can't breathe!
And they can change clothes in it if you get down the house. Oh, God.
Ain't nobody.
I don't care.
Watch your house. Watch it.
Oh, my God.
Oh, shit.
Oh, that's...
On the other side.
Oh, my God. It's huge, guys. Oh, my God.
God, there goes my fucking tree!
Oh, my Who's down there? Oh, Appleby and Jenny!
Fucking house is gone!
Oh,
It's past your house.
Oh, it's got my damn house!
oh my
I don't see no trees out there at all now.
Oh. Oh.
That big old piece of mail is falling way down.
Oh. Oh.
Here comes the hail.